Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the use of updates menu in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition. So if I go to the apps menu, currently we have only the apps menu. So I'll be going into the settings and I'll be activating the developer mode. So once I scroll down, you can see we have the option to activate the developer mode. So I'll be clicking on this and I'll be activating the debug mode in the database. And if I go to the apps menu, here you can see right now we have apps, app store, updates, update app list, and apply scheduled upgrades. So we know apps menu will be listing all the apps menu inside our add-ons path. And if you click on app store, you can see there will be a tour to navigate to Odoo store. So if you click on start your journey, you will be redirected to the Odoo app store. That's odoo.com/Odoo apps. So in this video we'll be going to discuss about the updates menu you have been seeing here. So there will be many people still don't know what's the use case of this menu. So we will be explaining about the use of the updates menu in Odoo. So as in the case of Odoo, we all know we will be developing custom modules and we will be using custom modules from the Odoo app store, and you know there will be different issues coming to those modules and it will be getting fixed and getting updated regularly. So how can we know that we are using the same modules inside the Odoo apps? Suppose we have already released different modules in the Odoo app store. So if I go to the Odoo app store, this is our Odoo 14 accounting module in the store. Similarly, we have got different free modules in the store. So if I go here, we have made recently some fixes to this module, that is Odoo 14 accounting. So the fixes might be improvement or it might be some issue fixes. So recently we have fixed some issues with this app along with the HR application. So once you install this module and if you try to install HR module, you will be getting an issue. So recently we have fixed that issue. So still in my local instance, I'm using the old version before the fix. So how can I know that whether I'm using the latest version or not? So if I go to the updates menu and if you click on updates, you can see there is two modules from Odoo. That Odoo is saying that download required. So here you can see OM account which is our module, this module. Here you can see in our local instance the version is 14.0.130, and in the remote means in the Odoo store it's 14.0.230. that is the Odoo itself is saying that I'm using the not latest version. So here then saying that I'm not using the latest version, so a manual download is required and for this module. Similarly for the accounting PDF report also we are not using the latest code. So what we have to do is that if I click on download required, you can see how to download an update from Odoo app store. We have to go to the modules page, click on download, unzip module to your add-ons folder, restart your Odoo server, update app list and update the corresponding module. So what Odoo is saying that we have to go to the corresponding apps page in the Odoo app store. So what you can do, you can simply copy this name and search inside the search bar. So here we have the search box. You can simply search the corresponding module name in the search box and then you have to download that module. So once you download that module, you will be getting an zip folder. You have to unzip that folder and copy the module and place it inside the add-ons path, restart the server, click on update app list and you have to upgrade the module. So let's see how we can do it for our accounting modules. So Odoo is saying that we are using OM accountant and accounting PDF reports, which is old versions. So what I will be doing, I'll be copying this name and I can search it inside the Odoo store. So I'll be copying and there is no need to search all because we have already the module here. So I'll be opening this module and we have to click the download button. So I'll be clicking the download button and the module will be getting downloaded. And we don't need to download this module separately because this module is a dependent module of this module, so it will be also getting automatically downloaded. So you can see the module has been successfully downloaded. And if I go to my downloads folder, so here you can see this is the downloaded module. I'll be extracting here itself. So I have downloaded a zip folder and I have extracted here, and if I open this folder, you can see I have downloaded OM account, accountant and accounting PDF reports, which they have shown here. That is OM account, accountant. So we get the OM account, accountant, and also we have downloaded accounting PDF reports. So we have copied that two modules. Now what we have to do is that we have to place these two modules inside our add-ons path. So I'll be copying this module, copy, and I'll be going into the PyCharm, and if I go to the custom folder, here we have the module which is not the old version, which is old version. So I'll be deleting that one and I'll be putting the new one, paste. So I have updated that one. Now we have to do the same for the other modules, so that is OM account, accountant. So I'll be copying this one and I'll be coming into the PyCharm, and if I search this, here we have that module. I'll be deleting that one and I'll be pasting the latest code. So I have successfully downloaded the latest code from the Odoo App Store, unzipped the folder and placed inside my custom add-ons path. Now we have to restart the service. So the service is restarted. Now we have to go to the UI and we have to click on update apps list. So I'll be clicking on update app list, and I'll be going into the apps menu, and from the apps menu I'll be just upgrading our module once again. So I'm upgrading the Odoo 14 accounting module. Now if I go to the updates menu and see what happens. So if I go to the apps and if I click on updates, it will be empty. So still it's saying accounting PDF reports local 14.0. so it seems okay. So it's saying that we need to click on update button. So I'll be copying this name. So here you can see in the local we have the same version, and the remote also it's same version, and a manual update for the module is required. So I'll be going into the apps menu and I'll be upgrading this module also. So I'll be clicking on upgrade. So we have only upgraded Odoo 14 accounting, also we have to upgrade Odoo 14 accounting reports. So I'll be going into the apps menu, and if I go to the updates, you can see right now, well done, all your updates, all your apps are up to date. So similarly, regularly you can go to the updates menu and check whether you are using the latest version of all the custom modules. So that's it for this video. If you feel the video is helpful, you can click the like button and comment it out. And if you feel these modules are helpful, you can review our module inside the Odoo App Store. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.